Well guys, it's another Hunley garage. It is hot outside. And today, gonna do like an unboxing and review on this multifunction jump starter from Andeman. They reached out and asked if I do a review on it, and I said yes. They just send it to me and I do a review, so I don't have anything to lose. Going to be doing a review on this one coming up as well. Alpha, they reached out. I got a 24 volt 3000 watt inverter, so I'll be doing this as well. But going to go ahead and get this unboxed. Alright, there we go. We'll see what this thing's like in here. Oh, they got it in a nice case. That's nice. So what this thing is supposed to be is a jump starter for your car, a power bank. It'll charge your batteries like a cell phone and stuff, USB-C, and then also a light. So we'll get this guy opened up here. It's a nice case. Oh, and it's a inflator. So I'll go ahead and looks like they got an instruction manual here. We've got this, which looks like it'll plug in to do your car jump batteries. We've got this so that we can do your tires. Looks like you've got some so that you could do like your bolt pulls, different inflatables. So that looks interesting. Here is the USB-C connector. You open this guy up. I'm imagining it's going to need to be charged. But it's packaged really well. And then we'll take that off the screen. Go ahead and throw this away. So, I don't know if you can, I got a pretty good sized hand. This is pretty nice. It's got a nice touch screen. These pads here are nice. So this must be where you plug the engine start cables into it, right there. So you would plug these in there. So then right here, this must be the flashlight. That must be how you charge it, and then that's your output. And then, so this is the inflator. So I wonder what kind of charge came with it. Go ahead and turn this on. So 75%. So we can turn the light on. Holy crap, that's freaking bright. Looks like it's got a flash. So you could wave somebody down, I guess. This is your PSI. Wonder what it goes to. Find out together here. I don't know anything go that high anyway. Probably 45 is about right. Oh, so there's your car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball. So these are presets in there. That's cool. I wonder, I'll have to read the instructions to figure that out, but pretty nice. So I guess it's got a 88 watt capacity. Input 5 volt, 3 amp. Output is 5 volt. Reachable pressure, 150 psi. Pretty good. And then output is 12 volt. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll think of some things to do and put it through the ringer, I guess. All right, so I think you press this on, and then you press the M, and then you do what you want it to, 48, and then it says short press it. Oh, so the tire's at 49. I guess I'll let some air out. So that's why it wouldn't work. All right, so we'll try this again. So you turn it on, press the M, come over here, and it'll turn off when it reaches the temperature. 7, 8, and then you short press this. So it reached it. I only let a little bit out, but see if I can find something else to inflate. All right, so I've got my little lawnmower here. It's supposed to be at 20. So I'll turn it on and press M, go down to there, and then we'll go to 20. And it's supposed to flash what it is. So it's not real quick, but in a pinch, it'll get you what you need, which is pretty nice. There's 18, now it's building some pressure. When it gets to 20, it's supposed to shut off. There we go. Well, that's pretty cool. I'll go do the other side. So I thought I'd check the battery percentage. So if you turn this on, so it was 75, now it's 69. So we'll go do the other side and see what this runs it to, 68 now. Okay, when we're over here, we'll do the other side. So we'll turn it on, press M, and we'll press M to get it down to 8. And then we'll go to 20. And then it flashes what it is when you... So this was 13. So this is a pretty good sized tire too. Cool. That's done. Now we'll see I'll turn this off, turn it back on. So we were at 68. See what it is now, 62. So I don't know, probably got enough power to get a couple car tires, I would imagine. So I'm going to give it a full charge. So I'm going to unhook this, and this thing, it's pretty warm. This thing right here, it's got a nice O-ring on it, and this kind of folds up into this case. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hook it up to the charger, see what it does. Well, it's probably all depends on your thing, but this is output 5 volts, so not very much. Go ahead and stick that in. Oh shit. Thought that was a USB-C. So we'll go ahead and get this thing plugged into here. So this is 61%. So we'll go ahead and we'll just leave her plugged in and get her charged up. All right, so I brought it downstairs. I only got it to 75%. I only let it charge for just a little bit. But I was gonna show you the light. So if we come in here, this camera's got pretty good, crap, now I can't see the button. There it is. So if I turn now I turned it off. Turn the light on, it's pretty bright light. Here's my batteries from my other review. But if you press it one more time, it's got a pretty good flash. But I think in an emergency, you know, I mean, you got the air compressor thing. It's got a nice light. You can charge your devices from it. I was gonna go see if I can charge my laptop. That usually takes pretty good demand. All right, so when I go traveling, what would be nice is to have kind of a smaller battery source for the laptop. And right now it's at 97%. This battery kind of gets zapped. What would be interesting to see here is if this will power it. I don't know if maybe you gotta turn it on. All right, so it said power adapter plugged in. So this can charge my laptop. That in of itself is awesome. So this is a pretty big charger. So that says 100. I think this laptop's it's older. See, it says 97. But when I plug this guy in here, come on, bam, it goes to 100. So, or it says it's running off the power adapter. So it thinks it's plugged into the wall. So that's awesome. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that zaps this guy. So I'm at 71 right now. I might run this so it's 623 for 10 minutes and see what this does. YouTube, really basically a video, really makes this thing suck power. This is an older MacBook and the battery's bad. So it'd be interesting to see what this is. So let's say we're 620, almost 625. We'll see what this is. But it's 70% at 625. I'll check it back in 10 minutes. Well, here we are 10 minutes later. It's at 61, but this thing here, it says battery's not charging, power adapter 88%. So I think I got a computer. I ended up replacing this. I think the battery in here is toast, but I think this will work on, this will work pretty good. It thinks it's plugged in, so I don't know what's going on with my computer, but I like this battery, or this whole pack here. It's pretty awesome. Well, all in all, I like it. I can't really test the jump starting. I don't have anything dead, but you just plug that in there. I'm sure it'd work. But I like the case. I like the light. I like the air pump. I like it being a battery pack. I don't know. It's a pretty nice unit. So, like I said, I don't have anything to gain or lose by telling you it's good or bad. So, but I couldn't find, everything on it works. It's got a nice light. The battery seemed to charge my laptop, except for when it quit. The air pump worked. I don't know, it's not going to be it's not an air pump like that, but it will do what it needs to. So yeah, I guess check them out. I'll have a link in the description, but thanks for watching. Coming up, I'm going to be doing a video on this guy. I'll plug a couple batteries in, and it'll be 24 volt and 3000 watt. So we'll kind of put this in my batteries to use. I'll try to charge my car. It's like 96 degrees outside, so that's hot for us Indiana people. So probably wait another week or so, and I think the temp's supposed to drop down to like mid 70s again, and start working on that. But thanks for watching. Yeah, go check these guys out, and appreciate it. Catch you on the next one.